Welcome to our video on the top 10 vitamins that can help stop acid reflux, naturally and for good. If you're tired of that burning sensation in your chest or that sour taste creeping up your throat, you're not alone. Millions deal with acid reflux, but the right vitamins can support digestion, reduce acid production, and help restore balance in your gut. Before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you can be the first to know when our latest video comes out. Now, let's count down the 10 best vitamins to ease acid reflux and improve your digestive health. Kicking off our list at number 10 is vitamin A. It's best known for eye health, but it also plays a role in protecting the lining of your digestive tract. When acid reflux happens, stomach acid can damage the esophagus over time. Vitamin A helps by supporting the repair of this lining, promoting healing and reducing irritation. You'll find vitamin A in foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens. But if you're not getting enough from your diet, a supplement may help give your gut lining the support it needs to heal and resist further damage. Coming in at number 9 is vitamin D. Yes, the sunshine vitamin. Low levels of vitamin D have been linked to increased inflammation and weakened muscles in the digestive system, including the lower esophageal sphincter. That's the muscle that keeps stomach acid where it belongs. A weak sphincter allows acid to creep up into your esophagus. By maintaining healthy vitamin D levels, you may improve muscle tone and reduce inflammation, both of which can ease acid reflux symptoms. Sunshine, fortified foods, or a quality supplement can make a real difference. Moving on to our list at number 8 is vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. This vitamin is essential for breaking down carbohydrates and turning them into energy. But it also plays a lesser-known role in digestive muscle function. A deficiency in B1 can slow down digestion and weaken the muscle that prevents acid from rising. When digestion slows, food sits longer in the stomach, increasing the risk of reflux. Making sure you get enough B1, found in whole grains, legumes, and nuts, can help keep things moving and reduce the pressure that causes acid to back up. Number 7, vitamin C. You might be surprised to see vitamin C on this list, especially since it's known to be quite acidic. In fact, for some people, high doses of standard ascorbic acid can actually make acid reflux worse. But here's the key: it all depends on the form of vitamin C you take. Buffered or non-acidic versions, like calcium ascorbate, are much gentler on the stomach and can actually help soothe inflammation rather than trigger it. Vitamin C plays an important role in strengthening the immune system and supporting the repair of tissues, especially useful if your esophagus has been irritated by acid over time. It also acts as an antioxidant, helping to neutralize harmful molecules that can worsen inflammation in the digestive tract. For those with reflux, using a low-acid or buffered version of vitamin C allows you to get all the healing benefits without the burn. This is especially helpful if your reflux is tied to long-term inflammation, or if you're recovering from damage caused by frequent heartburn episodes. You can find buffered C in supplements labeled as gentle or non-acidic, and they're a much better choice for sensitive stomachs. Next, at number 6, we have vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 may not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of digestion, but it actually plays an important behind-the-scenes role. It helps your body process proteins and create neurotransmitters. Those are chemical messengers that influence how your digestive system functions. When levels are low, it can throw off digestion and contribute to uncomfortable symptoms like bloating, nausea, and even poor stomach motility. Interestingly, some studies suggest that when B6 is combined with magnesium, it may improve the tone and function of the lower esophageal sphincter. That's the muscle that acts like a gate between your stomach and esophagus. When this muscle stays strong and closes properly, it helps prevent acid from rising up and causing that familiar burning sensation. Vitamin B6 is easy to get from food sources like bananas, salmon, chickpeas, and fortified cereals. But if your diet is limited or you're dealing with chronic reflux, a supplement might be worth considering. Just be sure to stick with the recommended dose, as too much can lead to other issues over time. At number 5, we have vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 might not be as well known, but it plays a critical role in directing calcium where it belongs. in your bones, not your soft tissues. That includes the stomach and esophagus. When calcium builds up in the wrong areas, it can contribute to inflammation and sluggish digestion. By helping regulate calcium and reducing inflammation, vitamin K2 may indirectly support better acid balance and prevent the symptoms of reflux from flaring up. It works especially well when paired with vitamin D3. Number 4 on our list is vitamin E. Vitamin E earns its spot on this list because of its strong antioxidant powers. It helps protect your cells from oxidative stress, a type of damage caused by free radicals, especially important when it comes to your digestive tract. If you've been dealing with long-term acid reflux, your esophagus may be repeatedly exposed to stomach acid, which can gradually wear down its protective lining and lead to irritation, inflammation, or even ulcers. That's where vitamin E steps in. It works to calm inflammation and promote the healing of damaged tissues, helping the esophagus recover from ongoing acid exposure. Over time, this may reduce sensitivity and make reflux episodes less intense. It's also believed to help strengthen mucosal barriers in the digestive system, offering an added layer of protection. You can boost your intake through foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocados. If you choose to take a supplement, go for the natural form. Look for D-alpha tocopherol on the label, as it's more easily absorbed by the body compared to synthetic versions. Number 3 is vitamin B12. Many people with acid reflux take proton pump inhibitors, PPIs, or antacids, which can interfere with B12 absorption. Over time, low B12 can lead to nerve problems, fatigue, and even more digestive issues. Supplementing with B12, especially if you're on long-term acid reflux medications, can help restore balance and keep your digestive system functioning smoothly. B12 also supports the production of digestive enzymes, which help break down food more efficiently and reduce pressure in the stomach. At number 2, magnesium. Magnesium isn't just a mineral, it's a key player in how your entire digestive system functions. One of its most helpful roles for acid reflux is acting as a natural muscle relaxant. It helps the muscles in your digestive tract, including the lower esophageal sphincter, stay calm, coordinated, and properly toned. This muscle is supposed to close tightly after you eat to keep stomach acid from rising. When it's weak or spasms, acid can sneak up and cause that burning sensation. What many people don't realize is that magnesium deficiency is incredibly common, especially among those who take proton pump inhibitors, PPIs, or other acid-suppressing medications. Over time, low magnesium levels can make acid reflux worse by slowing digestion and weakening muscle control. It's easy to get more magnesium through foods like leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, beans, and even a bit of dark chocolate. If you go the supplement route, look for forms like magnesium glycinate or magnesium citrate. They're easier on the stomach and more effective than cheaper forms like magnesium oxide. Topping our list at number 1 is a unique but powerful supplement, Betane HCL with pepsin. While it's not a vitamin in the traditional sense, it plays a key role in improving digestion for people who actually don't produce enough stomach acid. That's right, not all acid reflux is caused by too much acid. In many cases, it's the opposite. When your stomach acid is too low, food doesn't break down properly. This can lead to fermentation and gas buildup, which creates pressure that forces acid up into the esophagus. That's what causes those familiar burning symptoms. Betane HCL helps restore the stomach's natural acidity, making digestion more efficient and reducing the chances of acid backing up where it doesn't belong. Pepsin, an enzyme often included with Betane HCL, helps break down proteins in the stomach, further supporting smoother digestion. This combination may be especially helpful for those who experience bloating, heaviness after meals, or reflux that worsens when lying down. But here's the catch. This supplement isn't for everyone. If you're currently on acid blockers like PPIs or have ulcers, it's essential to speak with your doctor before trying it. Used correctly, though, Betane HCL with pepsin can be a game changer for people with low stomach acid, treating the root cause of reflux instead of just covering up the symptoms. And there you have it, 10 vitamins and supplements that can help stop acid reflux naturally and for good. Which ones have you tried? Or which are you curious about? Let us know in the comments. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to our channel for more natural health solutions. You can also tap the Super Thanks button to support our work or check out our official merch in the description below. Stay healthy, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.